Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas everybody. Carman back with another video. So as I promised on my last video, I have something special for you guys for the holidays, for this Christmas season. I'm going to be doing giveaways every single day for the rest of this month onto the new year. And if you guys are new here, I hope you guys can check out my channel. I have many cars that I upgrade, do DIYs on, how-tos, repairs, and I also have a few project cars that I'm currently working on and restoring. So I hope you guys do enjoy these videos, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys can see all my new uploads. I hope each and every one of you is enjoying this holiday season and having a great time with your friends and family. And I just wanted to do something special for all my viewers. I really appreciate you guys. So I'm going to be seeing you guys every day with new uploads and new giveaways. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and until then, happy holidays.